Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is extract the number from the string. So we have a string and there are numbers in the string. We have to find the largest number and the only caveat is the number does not contain 9. So this is a string and we have two numbers 5057 and 97. So 5057 is the largest number. So we return that. And another example, in this we have 9007. So as you can see, 9 contains in the number, so we have to return -1. So if no such number exists, we have to return -1. So let's jump into the approach. So I have taken this example, the alpha is, and we have 4 numbers. So let's start the approach. So we have to traverse till the end. So I will take I starting from 0 and we have to traverse till n. So in this, we are only interested in the numbers. So if ith character is a number, so I am taking C. So how to find if this is a number or not? So let's check if the number is greater than 0 and number is less than equal to 9. So we know this is a number. So this character we have checked if this is a number or not. So if this is a number, we will do something, else this is not a number. As you can see, first character is t. So this is not a number. We just move to the next index. So I plus plus just and closing. So this is a while loop. So we will do something here when number exists. So let's find out what we have to do. We have to find the largest number. So I am just erasing. So we have to find the largest number and we have 4 numbers. So let's take the initial value as -1 and if number exists, so this is not a number, so we'll move to next index h. This is not a number, move to next index. This is not a number, move to next index. Not a number, move to next index. So one day we will come here 9. So we will move inside the if block. So if this is a number, we have to check how long is this a number. So we will take two variables. First as current variable set to 0, and we also have to check whether this number contains 9 or not. So for this I am taking a boolean 9. Initial value is false. So we have to traverse till the number ends. Till the number ends. So I less than n and this is a number. So character is a number. So this character is greater than 0 and character is less than 9. While this condition holds, so as you can see 9. So just update your answer. Current is equal to current multiply 10 plus this character. So character minus 0, because this will convert this character into a value. So this value is 9. So 9 character minus 0. So this will convert this character into an integer or long. So first we have current is equal to 0. Now after multiplying, current will become 0 plus 9. So it is 9. So current holds 9 value. So we also have to check whether this value number contains 9 or not. So just check if current is equal to 9. So if this condition holds, then update your 9 boolean. So I'm updating to true. So first we have current as 0, then current will become 0 multiply 0 plus 9, so it is 9. Then it will move to next index, so I also have to write I plus plus here. So 9 multiply 10 plus 0, so it will become 90. And after that 90 multiply 10 plus 1, it will become 901. Then it will move to next index space. So we get out of this while loop. So just check if 9 value is false. If 9 value is false, so update your answer. Answer is equal to maximum of answer or current value. So on the starting, it holds 9. So we will not update our answer. Then it is pointing to the space. So just move to next index. So this value 5297. So current holds 5297. This value also containing 9. So move to next value 529. So 529 also containing 9. Move to next value. So 19. So then current holds 19. So it also contains 9. So move to next index. So 1s. So after that answer containing -1. So we will return answer. So if there is any value, suppose 42, so current holds 42 and answer holds 42 because this number does not contains 9. Then it will move to next value. So as you can see, I reaches n, so we will get out of the loop. So that's the approach. Let's jump into the coding part. So first we have I and n and answer. So we will iterate till n. If this is a number, just go inside and just find your number and 9. So we have to traverse till the n or whichever is smaller, so n or number. As long as this condition holds, we will find our value, then multiply our number and update our number. If 9 holds, then update your 9. Move to next index. If 9 does not contains in that number, so just update your answer. Else this is a character, special character or anything else, move to next index. So at the end return your answer. Its time complexity is order of n and space is constant. Thank you all for watching this video.